a new chapter in the world of cryptocurrency. Introducing BOME. The world of cryptocurrency is constantly evolving, with new innovations and technologies emerging every day. New projects emerge, each vying for attention and investment from the global community. Among these contenders, BOME, the Book of Meme, stands out as a unique and innovative project. BOME presents a unique proposition in the crypto space, combining the power of memes with blockchain technology. Memes are a driving force in internet culture, and BOME leverages this power to create something truly special. It combines this cultural phenomenon with robust and secure blockchain technology. This fusion creates an intriguing and potentially lucrative investment opportunity for those willing to explore it. However, it's crucial to remember that every investment carries risk, and the crypto market is no exception. Before investing in any cryptocurrency, including BOME, conducting thorough research and understanding the market is essential. This essay explores BOME's potential, examining its unique features and market position. We will delve into its features, market context, and the vibrant community that supports it, providing a comprehensive overview. Your investment, your research. Proceed with caution. The information presented here is not financial advice. Cryptocurrency investments are inherently risky. It's crucial to understand that you could lose part or all of your investment. Never invest more than you can afford to lose. Diversifying your portfolio is also recommended. Don't put all your eggs in one basket. Before making any investment decisions, conduct your due diligence. Research the project, its team, and its technology. Remember, responsible investing requires careful consideration and informed decisions. The power of memes, backed by cutting-edge technology. BOME sets itself apart through its unique and innovative approach. It combines the viral nature of memes with a solid and reliable technological foundation. This powerful combination aims to create a thriving and dynamic digital ecosystem. BOME leverages advanced blockchain technology to ensure transparency and security. This robust system ensures the integrity of transactions and the protection of user data. The platform also incorporates innovative features designed to encourage active community engagement. BOME aims to create a vibrant space where meme enthusiasts can connect and share. Users can interact, trade, and actively participate in the platform's continuous growth. This community-driven approach is central to BOME's visionary and inclusive vision. Section 4. Echoes of 2021. A bull market on the horizon. Investors and analysts alike are buzzing with speculation. The cryptocurrency market is known for its volatility, with prices often swinging dramatically within short periods. After a period of relative calm, recent market patterns show signs of increased activity, hinting at a possible resurgence. Some analysts draw parallels between these patterns and the bullish trends of 2021, suggesting a potential repeat. This period saw significant growth in the altcoin market, with many lesser-known coins gaining traction. While past performance is not indicative of future results, these similarities have sparked optimism among some investors, hoping for another boom. BOME, with its unique proposition and growing community, is well positioned to capitalize on this potential surge, attracting new interest. However, it's important to approach these predictions with caution, as the market remains unpredictable. Market sentiment can shift rapidly, influenced by a myriad of factors, both internal and external. Section 5. Joining the BOME movement, community and growth. A strong community is vital for the success of any cryptocurrency project. BOME recognizes this and has cultivated an active and engaged community. BOME's community is passionate about the project's vision. They actively participate in discussions, contribute to the platform's development, and spread awareness about BOME. This strong community support is a key factor driving the project's growth. BOME offers various avenues for community engagement. Their Telegram group provides a platform for discussions, updates, and connecting with fellow enthusiasts. Section 6. Dive deeper. Explore BOME's potential. BOME presents a compelling case in the ever-evolving crypto landscape. Its unique blend of meme culture and blockchain technology, coupled with its active community, makes it an intriguing prospect. To learn more about BOME, visit their website. You can also join their Telegram group to engage with the community and stay updated on the latest developments. Remember, this is not financial advice. Conduct your own research before making any investment decisions.